Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Calexico local and long distance movers near me. When you need a dependable and cheap Calexico moving company, you need 3 Movers. We offer all the necessary moving services for local and long distance moves. Our team has helped many business owners, homeowners, veterans, renters, and even students with their moves. Hiring us means your moving day will be much easier. Relocating across the country or even just one state over is a big deal. You're changing your entire life and uprooting your family. This can be rather stressful. The right long distance movers can make your move simpler and give you the peace of mind you deserve. When you hire us, you gain total access to all the necessary moving services, including packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, always on time, and transparent pricing. The right California moving company can provide you with plenty of benefits. It might seem hard to justify the cost of hiring a local moving company. However, when you realize how much time can save you, it becomes easier to rationalize the cost. Plus, with a good local moving company, you can avoid doing any of the heavy lifting. 3 Movers takes care of the move for you. We do the heavy lifting and make sure you save plenty of time. A move that would take you all weekend to complete, we can have it done within just a few hours. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Calexico moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.